In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install HP LaserJet 3055 printer driver in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First things first, you need to open your Google Chrome. The moment you've opened it, please proceed here at the search bar and type for HP LaserJet 3055 printer driver and click on the enter key in your keyboard, and in that way you'll be able to see a list of results. So please proceed to the first one, which is under support.hp.com. Click on it and wait until you'd be navigated to a new page where you can see the printer driver, which is the HP LaserJet 3055. Okay, so this page will automatically detect operating system. If not in your case, go and choose a different OS, click on it, click on this down arrow key and choose for Windows 11 and click on update to set it. Okay, so once done, kindly wait until it would be ready for you. And once ready, please proceed here to this area where you can select your software and drivers below. Click on this driver universal print driver and there you can see two results. Please proceed to the first one, which is HP universal print driver for Windows PCL6, and aligning to it you can see there a download option. Click on it. So in my case I have already downloaded this one, but in your case if you haven't yet, then download it. So to check the progress, go with the top right corner. You can see their download icon and there you can see the downloaded file. So click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. So the next step that you need to do is while selecting it, please make a right click and click on the cat icon since we need to move that to the desktop. So by that, close the windows being opened, and here at the desktop, please make a right click and go with the paste. So once you have successfully moved the zip file here, we need to extract it. So there are two ways on how to extract it. Okay. So first is you need to make a right click and go with the extract all, or either use the WinRAR tool if you have. Go with WinRAR and go with extract to. Once done, wait until a new file folder would be created, and that would mean that we have successfully extracted it. Now, once it's here, we need to move on to the installation. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. We would really appreciate your support. So by that, please navigate here at the start, make a right click, scroll up, and click on the settings. You can also press Windows key and I key in your keyboard, and in that way or manner, you would be able to bring up the settings. Now from here, please directly proceed to the left pane and locate for Bluetooth and devices. And the moment you do it, kindly wait until you'll see this option. Go with printers and scanners, and there you can see an option called add device. Click on it and wait until you can get another option, or you can reveal another option where you can manually add a printer driver. Once it's here, click on add manually, and in a few moments you would be able to bring up this small window where you can find a printer by other options. So please select for add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next, click on this down arrow key and use among of this three USB port. So this part is very crucial. So it is very important to be cautious on finding this or setting this printer ports. It could be one, two, or three, but if you have an HP port, you can select that as well. So click on next here, click on have disk and go to browse. And since our extracted file has been placed at the desktop, then we need to proceed to that. Scroll down here, proceed to this folder, double tap, and eventually you'll be able to see a list of drivers. Select any of that, click on OK button. And there you can see this one. Select the second, go with next, and please rename it into HP LaserJet or LG space 3055. Once done, click on the next button and it will now start the installation. Kindly wait until this would be finished. Okay, so once you're done, click on the next button and go with finished, and there you have that. You have just successfully installed the HP LaserJet 3055 printer driver in your Windows 11. Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.